Hey everybody, and welcome to week 7. So this week we are going to explore interpretive research, which is also called qualitative research. So as a reminder, last week we talked about positivist research approaches, which are quantitative research, and this week we're talking about interpretive or qualitative. So one of the key differences between these two approaches is that when we're talking about qualitative research, it is not so focused on numbers. Quantitative research, again, is all about that which can be measured and about collecting data that can, again, sort of give you information on your research question. Qualitative research, though, is much more about collecting different types of data. So, not necessarily numerical data, but doing interviews or focus groups, collecting narratives of the research participants that you'd like to study in your work. Of course, both approaches have positives and negatives, but both are considered good or appropriate approaches to undertake for research. What you're going to do this week in your assignment is, of course, read through the Grinnell chapter that discusses interpretive or qualitative research. You're going to complete the quiz on that chapter. And then I'm going to ask that by Wednesday, you participate in the discussion board where you are going to use your research topic that you've been using for research discussion boards for the last several weeks. And you're going to, instead of using the approach that you did last week, where you presented your research question, your variables, and your methods in a positivist approach, this week you're going to use an interpretive or a qualitative approach. The example that's given in the discussion board topic should help you kind of see some of the key differences between the two. If you're struggling at all to sort of think through how to approach your topic from this different approach, just let me know. I'm always here and I can brainstorm some ideas with you guys. Remember to keep focused on your lit review, which is not due just yet, but will be coming due in a couple weeks. So you want to make sure that you're not ignoring that and keep working on it so that you can get that ready when it is due. I'm going to send an email out in a little bit as well. And again, encourage you guys, if you have any questions or challenges with identifying how to look at your research topic through this interpretive approach, just let me know. Thanks so much for your work, and I'll talk to you later.